Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best small smartphones. I made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the smartphones in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best small smartphones on the market right now. Coming at number 6, we've got the NIHERTZ Atom. If you're in search of the smallest smartphone money can buy, the NIHERTZ Atom is hard to beat. Believe it or not, this smartphone is about the size of a pack of gum. It still has built-in GPS, dual cameras, Bluetooth, and a headphone jack like every other modern smartphone, and it even runs on the latest 4G networks and comes unlocked. It supports AT&T and T-Mobile, but note that it does not work with Verizon or Sprint. It offers a rugged body which helps it withstand drops, dirt, and spills. It packs 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage space, and runs with Android Oreo operating system. Unfortunately, it's equipped with mediocre cameras and a weak speaker. It's also difficult to type on because of its small size. If you work in construction, break your phone frequently, or just want a break from your full-sized phone, it's an affordable option that you may want to consider, especially given its extreme durability and IP68 rated water resistance. Coming at number 5, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. If you're tired of the same old smartphone that looks like a slab of glass and want to mix things up, you won't have to make any sacrifices with the Z Flip 3. This folding smartphone packs a powerful processor, solid battery life, vivid display, and loud stereo speakers, all in a waterproof and completely pocketable design. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 sports an eye-catching design that comes in several colors. When closed, the device is about the size of thickness of a stack of Post-it notes. Unlike the majority of other folding phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is completely water-resistant. It's also made from much more durable, scratch-resistant glass than previous Z Flip iterations. Under the hood, Samsung has packed Qualcomm's range-topping Snapdragon 888 chipset, a whopping 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage. The device is as snappy as any other flagship phone, even the Z Fold 3 that costs several $100s more. Coming at number 4, Google Pixel 5a. If you're shopping for a new smartphone and want something that's reliable yet affordable, you can't go wrong with the Google Pixel 5a. With a reasonable price tag just under $500, it's on sale. The phone packs a reliable processor, great battery life, clean software, and a better-than-average camera, all in a fully waterproof metal housing. The smartphone is a hair bigger than the ASUS ZENFONE 8 we previously mentioned, and doesn't offer as impressive specs. That's because it features a mid-range, not as powerful, Qualcomm processor, less RAM, and a screen with a lower refresh rate, so it's not as fluid. Although pricier Android phones with more RAM have better multitasking abilities, numbers aren't everything, and this phone is still quite snappy. My colleague, Stefan, was also blown away by its camera. The Pixel 5a can take photos with exceptional quality in just about any lighting scenario. It also has a large battery that'll easily make it through a full day of heavy use. Because of those reasons, the Pixel 5a is still one of the best smartphones you can buy for under $500. Number 3, ASUS ZENFONE 8. The ZENFONE 8 really isn't that small of any smartphone, but it's still smaller than almost any Android phone you can buy right now. It's almost 20% larger than the iPhone minis we previously mentioned. For comparison's sake, it's similar in size to an iPhone 13 or a dollar bill. The ZENFONE offers users a robust build that's more durable than most other small phones on the market. The phone has a metal frame and tough, Corning Gorilla Glass panels on its front and rear sides. Besides its small size, what separates it from other Android smartphones is its Snapdragon 888 processor. This chip is coupled with 6, 8, or 16 gigabytes of RAM, depending on how much you're willing to spend. So the ASUS offers better performance than most other devices. That means you can juggle more apps, play more graphic-intensive games, and even get some serious work done on it. As far as the cameras and battery life are concerned, the ZENFONE 8 is equipped with a 64-megapixel main camera and 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. You can also expect about 11 hours of battery life. Coming at number 2, Apple iPhone 12 mini. Before the iPhone 12 mini came out, if you were shopping for a small phone, you'd have to opt for a budget smartphone with outdated specs and a lower grade design. Like our best overall pick, the 12 mini doesn't require you to compromise on features or performance in the name of its smaller size. Although it's not the best small phone money can buy, it's still a good option for folks on a budget who don't need the latest and greatest. The previous generation costs about $100 less than the 13 mini. And although it isn't equipped with the latest cameras or processor that Apple users for the iPhone 13 series, it still is an outstanding phone. Our biggest complaint is its battery life. You can expect 1.5 hours less battery on this phone as compared to the iPhone 13 mini, 9 hours versus 7.5 hours. Despite its shorter battery life, however, the 12 mini is a reliable, easy-to-hold smartphone with impressive camera quality and a durable build. Number 1. Apple iPhone 13 mini. The iPhone 13 mini is the small smartphone to buy. You get the same advanced features as pricier smartphones, but with better ergonomics and a more pocket-friendly size. It's one of the few small smartphones that doesn't sacrifice key features in the name of its small shape. The iPhone 13 mini has the same premium, completely waterproof design as the latest iPhone 13. It also comes with the same powerful processor and dual camera setup. Really, the biggest difference is that it has a smaller 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR display. The iPhone 13 mini can be held comfortably with one hand, and your thumb should be able to stretch and reach across the entire screen. It's about 20% smaller and 23% lighter than the iPhone 13, so it doesn't have as big of a battery as the full-size iPhones. However, during my tests with the iPhone 13 mini, I had no issues getting through an entire day using the phone, and occasionally has as much as 20% worth of battery life to spare. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best small smartphones. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.